I'm a creep. Butter, but the butter was better, so she butter. Now we're getting there! Another red day today. We're Tuesday, October 27, and since I'm not going to be able to trade tomorrow, I've decided not to take any chances. Today, the day almost start on the wrong path. My laptop was going really slow, and I've decided to reboot it. It took 45 minutes. He decided to update itself. So I was kind of panicking at the beginning of the day, but it's a good thing because I don't like trading as early in the morning because most of the time the low float stock will be, people will just buy and dump. And I'll show you some stocks where if you want to take some gamble, it's your choice. I don't like those stocks at all. So the one I love are the big one, Coca-Cola, Canopy. The one that are trading as by million on a daily basis. Every day there's at least millions of shares being exchanged. So let's look at the market. The market is going nowhere again today. Not as down as yesterday, just minus 75. Nasdaq is going, is in the green, but not very strong, and S&P as well. So I tried to look at the DraftKings. Those two lines just crossed, so it's just going down. It started and it got momentum here, but didn't pick up. The thing is, one of the things that you guys have to look is the RSI. If you put your arrow right here at 50, okay, look at all the above, the line above 50. Let's increase this. So is it mostly above 50 or below 50? You have to look. This is one of the other another indicator that I look where the money is going. Okay, let's look at the money, where the money is going. It's not above zero, so don't touch this until there's a real momentum. It's going downward. So Coca-Cola is always a win, but the thing is, with the Nasdaq going nowhere, why taking a chance? There's no reason. It's always between the VWAP and the MA50. It touches and go back up, touches and go back up, and that's exactly what I was expecting from Canopy. But Canopy is just going down. It's always that stock. It starts to drive me nuts. Although I like trading that stock on a daily basis. It's always start very strong. Look at yesterday, same thing, and it just goes down right after. The day before, same thing again, goes down again, and you have to wait until 12 to recover. The day before, same thing again. Every day this stock starts very strong and slow down after all the time. So look at where it is going. There's no bet. I don't know. The thing is, look at the money flow is above zero. The MACD is not going the right direction. The RSI is now below 50, so I wouldn't touch it at all. The big story today, Tiffany. Louis Vuitton wants to buy Tiffany, and let's look at Tiffany. Tiffany. The story behind Louis Vuitton and Tiffany, because Tiffany is a US company, Louis Vuitton is a French company, and it is the same thing as the GAFA. Trump wants to ban Louis Vuitton to buy Tiffany, and the same thing that the GAFA is being punished in the US, so Louis Vuitton is being punished in the US, like the GAFA is being punished in Europe. So Tiffany is going up today because they increased the price. They say that they're willing to pay up to $130 for Tiffany, and so the the stock went up right away, of course. Not till 130, but it's getting close. AMD bought one of his competitor, and it's always the same. The one that acquires goes down, the one that gets acquired, it's a Chinese company. So AMD, the stock is going down right now, and there's no clear indication it would go back. Netflix is too expensive for me, but if you like it, not the right time anyway. There's nothing interesting. Mattel could have been a good right here. You see, the money flow is almost always below zero, which is a good indicator. And look at the volume here when it touches 30 here, and it goes up all the time. What about Snapchat that had a good run in the past days? Snapchat, where is Snap? Those two lines, don't forget those two lines. Every time they cross, the EMA crosses the VWAP, I would say 100% of the time it will go down. So until this starts to pick up again, I wouldn't touch Snapchat in short term. There's nothing really interesting. Winnebago is making a nice run. I have no clue. I didn't have a chance to look at it, but it's making a nice run. And I was looking at that stock a couple of days ago, but it finally started to pick up today. The other one I was looking that I just passed, Harley Davidson. Look at Harley Davidson today. And that is amazing. They signed a nice deal with an Indian to supply the India. So that's why, and when this crosses, it starts to pick up. And the price was 35, 37, and now another dollar has been added. So when this crosses, you can be confident, but don't remember one thing. I do this for education purposes. Don't take my word for granted. You never know what could happen. It's your money, so just do whatever you guys want with your money. I'm just giving you some cues of what to look at to avoid losing money. So today I didn't trade anything. There was nothing that I could find that made sense, and the market has no clear direction. It's keep coming back, going down. It started 9:30. That was yesterday. It started strong and just zigzag. And look at one stock that keep zigzagging a lot. Gold. That is crazy. Every minute the stock is moving up or moving down big time. There's a huge swing in Barrick Gold, but it started the day at 2669, 2683. There's nothing very interesting, and there's huge movement, so you don't know where the stock would go. So that's it for today. Hope you're having some nice trade. I hope you've been lucky. You know, not losing money is better than not trading and losing money is better than it's better than everything. Okay, so have a good day and see you tomorrow.